Starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are safe and sound and doing well. Dear students, in our previous lecture we stopped at discussing MCQ number 60. In our today's lecture, we are going to continue with the same flow from MCQ number 61. Let us start our today's lecture. The sound came from Nasiruddin's dash, home, stubble, room, stable. Clear? So in the same way you need to practice all these MCQs and select the best suitable answer, the correct option, and you need to mention the number of the option in front of the serial number of the MCQ. Clear? No need to rewrite the MCQ, no need to mention the words, the terms. Just mention the name of the number of the MCQ and opposite to it its correct option, whether A, B, C or D. Then part 62. Nasiruddin climbed into someone's kitchen garden and started filling a dash with everything. A sack, a sake, a sake, a sick. Now you need to select the correct option. Part 63. That is just I was dash about when you interrupted me. That is just I was wandering, I was wondering, I was wandered, I was wondered. Then part 64. A dash brought a letter to Nasiruddin. A farmer, a merchant, a man, a beggar. This is not bigger, this is beggar. Kindly do the correction. This is beggar. Clear? Then part 65. Nasiruddin theme is, the theme of the unit Nasiruddin is fun, humor, enjoyment, wit. Then part 66. Nasiruddin gave a new and a very fine dash to Jalal. Nasiruddin gave a new and a very fine cloak, clock, cloak, cloak, cloak. So you need to select the correct option for it. Clear? Part 67. The stories of Nasiruddin are popular because they deal with the dash of day-to-day life, because they deal with the businesses of day-to-day life, because they deal with the experiences of day-to-day life, because they deal with the skills of day-to-day life, because they deal with the anecdotes of day-to-day life. Now select the best possible answer. Then part 68. Arabia is a desert land where water is dash, where water is less, where water is short, where water is scarce, where water is drought. Then part 69. The dash of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Khatimun Nabiyyin, were generally poor. Friends, relatives, companions, kith and kin. So you need to go for the best possible answer. Part 70. Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu stood up and went out silently, peacefully, quietly or slowly. Then part 71. He therefore agreed to sell half of the well to Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu for 12,000 dirhams, for 14,000 dirhams, for 11,000 dirhams, or for 13,000 dirhams. Clear? Then part 72. The well was dash as an endowment to the people of Medina. The well was dash as an endowment to the people of Medina, dedicated, given, gifted, or devoted. Then part 73. The Jew learnt a dash lesson. The Jew learnt a dash lesson. Kindly do the correction in the first one option, that is bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R. Bitter. Bitter, better, hard, or great. Then part 74. During the days of Caliph Umar, famine broke out in Medina, Makkah, Arabia, Kufa. Please go for the best possible answer. Part 75. Hazrat Umar was greatly dash. Hazrat Umar was greatly worried, greatly distressed, greatly disheartened, greatly disappointed. Then part 76. The weatherman says it will rain all day. The weatherman says it will rain all day. The underlined part is dash phrase. Adverb phrase, adjective phrase, gerund phrase, prepositional phrase. Then part 77. He takes exercise before he goes to school. He takes exercise before he goes to school. The underlined clause is adjectival clause, adverbial clause, independent clause, or principal clause. 78. Bashir calls. Please tell him I'm on my way. Bashir calls. Please tell him I'm on my way. The underlined part is clause, phrase, subjunctive, second conditional. Then part 79. The Caliph raised his offer higher and higher. The Caliph raised his offer higher and higher until he was willing to pay 9 times the price of the flour as profit. The underlined words are adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction. Part 80. The Caliph was so touched by the generosity of Hazrat Umar that he wept, weeps, weeped. So you need to practice all these MCQs. Your today's homework is to practice and solve all these MCQs. It's enough for today. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.